So welcome to my house. I'm going to be giving you a house tour on this one bedroom house. This is the before. I'm just going to be showing you how the before looks like before I start the mega transformation, and I hope you will enjoy the video. So this is our entry door. You come in from here, and then you pass here. This is my tiny dining room area, and I'm going to be transforming the whole thing. After the dining room, over here you will find the receiver, of which I'm going to be transforming, or I'm going to be making. Either I'm going to be making one or buying a new one. So this is my sitting room. I have this carpet here, and also there is a video that I did this DIY, this one, and also the other one that you will see here. I also did this DIY, and the other one at the entryway. You can show them. Yeah, and also most of the things in this house I did DIY them myself. So after there, I have this 43-inch TV. This is a 43-inch TV. I use a Senix company. I also did make this floating TV stand, and all videos, every item here, all the videos are in my YouTube channel. You can visit our channel and see them. Also, I have this small chair. This is a transformation. This is the 100 liters water storage. I think you know them, the big ones that people use to store water. This one was leaking water, so we decided to do a collab, me and Christine Ore. You can visit our channel. She goes by the name Christine Ore. You can visit our channel. We did this collab and we made this one. So for this one, I did put this one here because this is my sitting area. I normally sit here while editing videos for you guys. This is my laptop here. Yeah, so that is basically my sitting room. And then coming through here, I'll be also going to be transforming this whole area. These ones, I'll be removing this one. I'll be showing you how to remove these wallpapers. They have about 3 or 2 years here, but I'm going to be removing them, and then I don't want to spoil the surprises, so I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to be doing, because I'm going to be showing you all the steps of what I'm going to be doing in this sitting room. But the video is about transforming the whole house. This is a 1 bedroom. I have a kitchen there, a bedroom there, and this is my toilet. For the toilet also, I did a video about 2 years ago, a small transformation, but I'm going to be doing another transformation. Coming here is my kitchen, but before you enter the kitchen, I have this small area, and I have a lot of ideas. Then here I'll be transforming this area. You will see what I'm going to be doing. I have a lot of ideas. And then, as I said, this is my washroom, and I'm not going to show you because there is no much things there. 5%. And then coming through here is my kitchen. I have a small fridge there. This is the shopping that I did. We did this shopping, you can see. We were in China Square, and I'll be unboxing them. I'll be showing you during the transformation. I'll be showing you the items that I did buy there. And the rest of the items I'll not buy them. I'll take them from my shop, and I'll be showing you soon how the shop and the things that we have in our shop, so that if you want to visit our shop, you can visit our shop and buy some items. This is the cooker. This is what I use to make small things. Come here. This is my countertop. These are the tiles, and I have some ideas what I'm going to be doing in this area. I'll be covering them, but I will not tell you the ideas because I want you to wait and subscribe to my channel so that you will see. Also hit the notification bell so that you will see what I'm going to be doing. And then this door leads to the balcony, of which I'm going to be starting the transformation here. I'll be starting with the balcony and then come in the house. And I'm not going to be showing you the balcony because I'll be showing you the before when I start the transformation. So now let's head to the bedroom. So I have a small bedroom. And this is the door to the bedroom. So guys, if you know the history of this bed, this was the first bed transformation, old bed transformation video that I did. And then I have this one which is spoiled. It's just there for now. I'll be removing it and making a new side table. And this is the small bedroom. I have the curtains there, the window, and then the shoes there. And here I have the wardrobe where I put my stuff. You can show them. I have the wardrobe. There's nothing much you can see there. The usual ones. Yeah, so that is basically how the house looks. And then I'll be making a short video before I start the transformation. A small quick tour of this house before I start the transformation. Anyways guys, welcome back again to our channel, and welcome back. It's been a while. We've been away for some days or some weeks. It's been like 3 weeks since we uploaded our last video. So I just want to welcome you all in our videos, and if this is your first time clicking on our videos, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. In this channel we do DIYs video, transformation videos, and many more videos. You can just visit our channel and see the kind of videos that we do upload. Yeah, so welcome back for this transformation video, and I'm going to be doing a whole house transformation, and I hope you will enjoy this journey with me as I do these steps of transformation. I want to give you some ideas on how you will do with your space, so make sure to stay tuned. Keep checking on our channels because we'll be uploading at least 2 videos in a week, and I'll be telling you how I made some items, where I did buy some items, and I hope you'll enjoy them. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with the friends and family. Thank you.